people looking at building manufacturing building, the question of gantries comes up. And that could be from a few different ways of how can we incorporate different size, up to 10, 15 tonne gantries in there. Or sometimes clients know that their manufacturing or their process would really benefit from a gantry capacity, but are quite concerned about what the cost that might add. And it's a valid one because a large overhead gantry can add a reasonable amount of steel or foundation structure to the building. At Attika we have our own structural steel system, so we can really get into the nuances of the steel thicknesses to optimise the bays and the heights and the span to suit the gantry to give you the best value. But we can also provide other solutions outside the traditional overhead travelling gantry down a building. We've done solutions whereby we've changed the portal to a truss system, which in many cases worked out much the same price, but meant that the bottom rail of that truss could be designed to lift even up to a few tonnes of weight, which didn't cost a lot for the client. It could be a real game changer to their manufacturing facility. The other solution was adding overhead rails, monorails as well in key locations. So lifting mechanism or strategies can be designed into the building without necessarily a whole lot of extra cost if that's worked through from the start with a company who understands how the steel structural system works and what can be done to optimise it.